In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently create a recurring task using your task management application. Learning the skill can significantly improve your productivity by ensuring that you never miss a beat with your regular commitments. Let's get started. First, go ahead and open up your task management app. This could be any platform you use regularly, whether it's on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. Ensuring you have easy access to this tool is fundamental to managing your daily responsibilities effectively. If you don't have a preferred tool yet, consider exploring a few popular options to find one that suits your workflow. Some tools offer cloud-based synchronization so you can access your tasks from anywhere, an invaluable feature for maintaining productivity on the go. Now that you have your application open, you want to either create a new task or navigate to an existing task that you'd like to turn into a recurring task. If you're creating a new task, take a moment to fill in all the relevant details. This information might include the task title, a brief description, and a due date. Remember, the clearer and more detailed you are, the easier it will be to stay organized and focused in the future. If you're turning an existing task into a recurring one, it's worth double checking that all the details are still relevant and accurate. Next, look for the option labeled Repeat or Recurring. This is the feature that allows you to set up a task to repeat at a regular interval. It can usually be found somewhere on the task creation or editing screen. If you're having trouble locating it, consult the help section of your app or do a quick search online for specific guidance related to the tool you're using. Once you've found the repeat or recurring option, it's time to set the frequency that suits your needs. This frequency might be daily, weekly, monthly, or even yearly, depending on the type of task you are scheduling. Be mindful to select an interval that reflects how often the task should realistically be completed. For example, if it's a weekly meeting, choose a weekly frequency. Many apps also allow for customizing specific days or dates, which adds flexibility to your planning. Finally, you'll want to double check everything and save. By doing so, you ensure the settings are preserved and the recurring task is officially on your calendar or to-do list. From now on, your app should send you reminders as the task comes due, removing the mental burden of having to remember these on your own. By setting tasks to recur, you reclaim time and mental space, allowing you to focus on other important things. I hope this video has been helpful, and with this step-by-step guide, you should now feel confident in managing recurring tasks in your scheduling routine. Do try setting one up right now so you get the hang of it while the steps are fresh in your mind.